guys, we're on our way to an abandoned train station.
Apparently even the road is abandoned.
Yeah, this is a horrible dirt road. Hope we end up there safe. Woo. The road is terrible. On a dirt road, don't know where to go.
Hello and welcome everybody to another adventure with Paranormal Randonauts here.
Hello, my name is Monique.
And I am Kyle. Today we are at a historical yet abandoned train station out in the middle of absolute nowhere. So yeah, are you going to tell them the name of the story?
Okay, basically we are at an abandoned train station in Wolwehoek, South Africa. The small background we could find about this was that Wolwehoek was essentially a railway station. It used to be. Over the years, it was an economic hub, mainly agriculture-related industry that has established itself here. Apart from the silos of Senves and abattoirs, a tannery and feedlots, it doesn't show much.
Yes.
The railway line from Bloemfontein to Vereniging was pushed through here in 1892. The station was established at the same time. It is interesting to note that construction was done at record speed. Basically, the rate of laying the line averaged at 5 kilometers a week. The rush was to be first into the capture of the lucrative freight traffic to Johannesburg against the competition from Natal Line and the line from Lorenzo Marx. In 1898, a branch line was constructed from here to Heilbronn. The old station building were from those days, so we cannot go into the station building as it is closed off. Apparently there were two buildings, both are now in ruins and only a partial roof. I wonder if that's over the road we will go to. The station is not used as a station, but there is still some local traffic to the silos. So yes, what we're gonna do, I think, is take some photos along as we walk, but I think we must try and cross that bridge to go to those abandoned buildings over there, unless you want to do something here.
No. So we will have we'll do a kind of a paranormal investigation on the way as we go along. Well, I mean, we're not going to set up cat balls, ramparts, and all that kind of stuff. We'll have
the
apps,
K2,
the K2. We'll have app running, and then This will be an interesting one. You have no idea as to what it took to actually get here. GPS thought it would be funny to take us literally on dirt roads in the middle of nowhere just to get here.
Yes, that
Poor car.
dirt road is something else.
Yes, I will not take that road back home. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get into this, and
Show
then
them
yeah.
maybe the rail tracks
Okay.
and things like that.
So before I set everything up, so um, as Monique was saying, over there at the back of us, yeah, there is actually working businesses there. The
The
abattoir
silos
silos,
are behind that.
yeah. And then this is an old building right next to the train tracks. Then here's the train tracks on its own. Sorry guys, I've got you on a tripod. Difficult to walk around. Um, abandoned buildings over there. There's actually a working locomotive that's parked over there. Maybe it's when we. The idea is to go to where that bridge is and walk over. So there's a lot of flies around. And then there's a train. Come on, Bush. There's a train track. So yeah.
Very eerie feeling to this though. And I don't know if you can show them the sign of Wolwehoek train.
Uh, so there. So it's no secret where we are in this video. It's Wolwehoek. Over there. The sign says Wolwehoek train train control station. I think it says. Yeah.
But this whole place from there to there
Yeah.
looks abandoned. So are we
So
going?
yeah, interestingly enough, there is supposedly some graves around this area. We have no idea where. Nobody knows where it is. Well, they've got the general
Very
idea.
old graves of the last war. We would have loved to find them, but I can't find any information of where they exactly are, unfortunately.
Exactly. So maybe we might be lucky to find it. We don't know. I'm going to pause you here for a sec while we get set up and ready to roll. Alrighty, everyone. So we've just come from over there, behind that building, walked along here. We're gonna go over the stairs here, well, up the stairs and over the bridge. Hopefully, we can walk there.
Let's hope the bridge isn't dilapidated.
So solid concrete, nevertheless. I mean, hell, there's rails here for you if you really need it.
Mhm. This is going to be some exercise today for us and an interesting outing. So, if we can get into those abandoned buildings, it would be awesome. And we see there is a train that stopped.
It looks solid enough. There's a train that's working, like I said. It's running and everything's waiting to go.
But there's no station literally with people.
Mm-mm. So I don't know if that's an abandoned station there. I know there's quite a few abandoned
It
buildings.
looks like the abandoned station. So
Okay.
let's
Down
go
there is the car.
and explore and go do some urbexing and ghost hunting. If there are any, we don't know if this area or places are haunted, but we'll find out.
This has been on our little bucket list for quite some time. We just haven't had opportunity to come, yeah.
I just want to take a photo or two.
Some abandoned housing there. Whether we'll get to them is another question. So yeah, there's a stench in the air, but that is from the abattoir that's right next to us. It's quite cool out today.
Yeah, but now it's getting hot.
Hopefully it won't be too hot.
This is actually hopefully going to be a cool picture.
Should fly.
Let's go see if we can actually get into some of those buildings, guys.
Exactly.
We don't want to walk over the tracks. That wouldn't be sensible and safe. What's lying here on the ground?
Let's see now when we get there. Bit of urbexing, bit of investigations.
All in one today. And it's all for you guys.
Okay,
So please subscribe on YouTube. It's for free.
I'm going to go down these stairs out of the building first.
Yes, and then
Yeah, we'll
there
see.
at the back isn't those the ones we saw on the road?
No, it's
Because
not
there's an opening, but there's ones too. So
Yeah.
are we going here first?
Yes.
What are these things?
I don't know. Shoe fly. You're going to hear me say a lot of shoe fly today. I mean, look at this, where we are.
Do you think we must spray? It's very
Suppose so.
long grass though.
I'm going to pause you guys for a sec. Okay, we all sprayed up. You're going to see where the road takes us.
But is there a way to get there? It's very, very bushy.
Yeah.
Did you bring the stick?
No, I did not. So I'll walk in front because I've got pants on. I'm wearing sweatpants, as you guys can see. I thought coming out here, I'm not going to. Might be hot, but I do not feel like I'm scratches and.
Oh, I didn't know it's going to be this overgrown. Why?
Just feeling and listening as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I'm trying to get into that building over there.
Why are you walking over all these things?
There's no way to walk.
Okay, but can you just walk in a straight line, please?
Okay, so one thing we've got to be mindful of, biggest thing is snakes. I'm talking about the poisonous kind.
I hope not.
So that's why I'm walking slowly and loudly so that you can maybe hear me coming. And vamoose. Okay, so far it doesn't look like there's any way of getting in this place. Big holes, be careful. Did not one fall in there. Another hole. Oh, are there frogs down there?
Hey?
I think there are frogs in this water, yeah.
There's what?
Frogs.
Okay, there's something that looks like a spider or a what do you call those things? Or is it a frog? I don't know.
You got to be a bit more specific here. I don't
A
see.
thing with the tail, scorpion?
Okay, but where are you seeing it?
There.
I don't think it's really any way of getting there. It's all overgrown and
But look at all this farmland, guys.
we're in farmland.
We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Let's just see. So is there no way to get through here?
Not that I can see from here, anyways.
Because it would be interesting. There's the door, it looks like.
Suppose you can walk around, go along over there, maybe.
Around here or not?
Let's push over there. Hold on 1 second. Stop there. Got a stick stuck to you. Okay. Come on. I was gonna be honest here, I was not expecting this when I woke up this morning. I was expecting abandoned places, but not.
No, these things, whatever they are difficult to walk on.
Yeah, I try and get in there if we can. Hold on. So walking here, sweatpants helps to protect your legs. Fortunately, a lot of blackjacks that will cross a bridge eventually.
Doesn't look like we can get through these things.
Nah,
Or do you want to try?
nah, I want to try it. Other buildings look a bit more accessible. Hopefully, we can go and take a look.
There's also that abandoned one over there.
Yeah.
But this must have been the old railway
Yeah,
station house thing.
yeah, the architecture and that.
I'm aware.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, look at me.
Okay, blackjacks. Yay.
Let's
What an adventure,
try go
guys.
this way. Again, being very mindful. So I don't know. If where the graves are or what vicinity, I will never know.
Well, they did say along the railroad, but the railroad is from Joburg to Heilbronn, so...
There's a pathway over here.
What is that over there? Can they be graves?
Nah. Oh, look.
Well, there's rocks, Kyle.
We can take a walk there. Well, there has been traffic coming through here. Let's take a walk up here quickly.
But I doubt that will be so easy.
No.
That the graves are just here. I doubt that.
I doubt it very much. But like you said, let's go take a little
Well,
Looks
this is an adventure, guys.
yeah.
We expected something different from an old railway station, and which is supposed to be abandoned. There's some stairs over there. Oh, there's also stairs.
Yeah.
No, that's rubbish.
That is nothing but rubbish. Oh, I'm not gonna venture off into that direction and seeing it being very profitable. Well, good idea to venture off further down there.
Okay, let's go to the houses then.
Yeah.
We can't waste
Okay.
any time today.
Okay. Instead of boring you guys are just walking, I'm gonna pause the
Things to
video.
do, places to go.
So instead of boring you guys with just walking through bush, I'm gonna pause the camera right here. I'm gonna see you in a bit. Okay. Coming close up to the houses here. So find a nice.
Unless we go through here on the inside, because it looks like on the outside it's fenced off.
Yeah, but why would you want to walk there where you can walk on this nice path?
To go into the houses if possible. To explore.
Now,
That's
I'm sure there's an easier way from this path to get there.
There's something on your sweatpants.
There's a lot of things on my sweatpants.
No, but a big thing hanging.
Where? Oh. Well, the nice thing about the grey sweatpants is I can see all the blackjacks. I can pull them off.
Yeah, my grey pants also, and we'll be able to see if there's sticks. Hopefully not.
Okay.
Okay, pick a house.
This house looks a bit more accessible. This is awesomeness. Yeah, it's now. Okay, well, that smell been smelling all day ever since we got here from Avatar. But
Well, luckily the people that's watching the video can't smell the smell. Now can they?
yeah, lucky for you guys, you cannot smell this stench. So this
Though,
building,
what now?
I'm just checking, yeah.
On last night's live, the mediums could smell some kind of herb.
Mm. Interestingly enough, this might be a location to do a live. We've realized that there is signal here. A very good signal, not? I don't know. Yes, this here is obviously bricked off and it's modern cement brick.
That's weird though. Why are they breaking it off?
I'm not going to walk around to that area there, it's too nasty.
But there's another house.
Yeah, I think, but I can see you can access it from the road by looks of it. Let's go.
So we can't go this side either.
Nah, it's too overgrown over there.
But that's what urbexes do.
Yeah, with the correct attire, you're not exactly wearing the correct attire now, are you? I've at least got sweatpants on, so my legs are somewhat protected. These moths just flying up over the grass as I walk. All dilapidated inside.
I just want to take a photo.
So this must have been somebody's house at one point.
It's a pity we can't get in there.
Mm.
It might be haunted.
Okay. I'll sit you guys down for a sec. Hold on. We're gonna have a ground view. I got something that's decided to ride up in my shoe. So
We'll clean off the blackjacks later.
yeah. Okay.
Come, let's continue this adventure.
Yeah. Let's hope. Well, when we parked up at this location, oh my God, difficult to. You're carrying 2 bags. Turn the camera around.
I want to go to that house though that we saw first. That's more down the line. I wonder if we'll be able to get in there. Dit mos meer daar of is
Yeah.
daar brein
So,
gebou?
there is no signs of no trespassing, no gates, no nothing. So you can just
No
walk.
private property. There's literally nothing and nobody.
Check this out.
Is there way in there? Also not.
So overgrown there.
We are terrible urbexes, guys. Sorry.
No,
We
look,
don't
if
like
I was wearing
going.
things like denims and that, I'll have no problem. You wearing leggings and khakis,
It's too hot for a denim and I don't wear denims. They grow.
oh, you should have at least worn long pants, at least.
Why? It's hot.
It's urbexing. This is not just urbexing in an abandoned building, it's urbexing in the bush. As you can see, far out there's just farmlands.
Okay, this is closed off. I don't know if that's a house that somebody stays in. I think I was talking about this one, wasn't I?
Yeah. Let's walk further down.
Or that could be a power station. I don't know.
Well, they did say there was a sign saying something about control center or something like that. Whatever it is, it's got no windows or anything, so. Nothing but nothingness.
And it's so quiet, guys. It's
Apart
very
from the
peaceful
occasional,
here in the farmlands.
apart from the occasional siren that I'm hearing bellowing out.
Doesn't look like we will have access to this awesome building.
Nah. Please note, persons entering these premises do so entirely at their own risk. And Transit Limited in operational division, directors, managers, blah, not accept responsibility for loss, damage, injury, blah blah blah.
But
It doesn't say anything
this
about.
is terrible. We won't be able to do an investigation here.
I don't know if there's any way to get to that unless you walk along the train tracks. I wonder if you.
But this building was pulling me. Is there no way to get around?
All right,
Look
next.
there, the grass here is short. How can we get there?
Well, next
But
to that.
this path is going to
Can I finish
Hallentown.
talking to you?
Okay.
Next to the train tracks, there's stairs coming down from next to the train tracks. There's any way walk along the train tracks and get down there. Now, if you just want to walk down this path a little bit, let's see where it leads to. And it's literally just a dirt road. It's just a dirt road, guys.
Very quiet and peaceful here, guys. With a nice cool breeze. It's just a pity we can't get into the abandoned buildings for an investigation.
No, that's nothing. There's just a dirt road.
On a dirt road, nowhere to go.
Okay, I'll say let's backtrack to the bridge and let's see if we can walk along the train tracks.
I doubt that, because I would have loved to be here. Or even those ones, but I doubt it very much. Well, we tried, you guys, but it's not over yet.
Nah. Anything as I walk out in the country.
Literally country, yes.
I mean, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not going to go looking for all those, for those graves. Not unless I know the general locations to where they are in.
And nobody seems to know where they
Yeah.
are. Not Google, nowhere.
Anyone who's watching this video, we are at Wolwehoek train station. It's an abandoned train station next to a working abattoir. Okay, well, anyways, for those who know South Africa, you know Wolwehoek. You should know. If any of you in the video knows where these graves are at Wolwehoek, drop us a DM, and then then we might come back out here for another visit. Monique is just pointing to me now. For that way to walk. Yeah, so this is literally just like a service, whatever.
Or is it also inaccessible?
No, that's inaccessible. That's
no, where I pointed to now.
Not unless you want to walk along there. Walk further, there's another way here, maybe.
Just have a look quick. I mean, there's even a gate. Imagine, Carl. There's even a gate there. For what, I don't know.
Well, there's a bit of a path here. People have been walking.
Is there a walking path?
Well, somewhat of a path. It's overgrown, but there is somewhat of a path.
But why is there a gate? It's not like somebody's living there. Hey?
funny enough, to get to the front door, it's bricked off.
Okay, can I just get up somehow? I don't know if there's, help me quick, if there's sticks. Sticks are an evil species. Well, yeah, the gate is open. I don't know if we can get, but wait. What is bricked off?
The front door.
Yeah, but wait, there's more.
Tell you what. Oh, jeez. Sorry for shaky camera angle. I want to try something. Just switching on this device here. Yo, it really stinks in there.
Well, I tried to get some photos from inside. What did you do?
Nothing. Tell you what, I'm gonna run here. Let's go necrometer. Get that opening. Let's go there.
Don't point at me for a second.
Go there.
Something is climbing up my pants.
Lucky bug.
Kyle, don't point the camera
I'm not
at
pointing
me.
it at you.
I can see it's pointing it.
Are there any spirits residing here at this old abandoned building next to train station, the Wolwehoek train station?
My name is Monique, and that is Kyle. We're not
One.
here to harm you.
Right off the bat. One.
One.
Tell me something, spirit. What is your name?
We just want to speak to you. If you're here, you're not going to be harmed.
Tavern. Was this a tavern, spirit?
You can speak through this device in my hand too. It will just make it easier for us to hear you. Use your energies and frequencies.
AIDS. Did you pass away of AIDS? That is it's a terrible pandemic that is out right now. Funny enough, they chose to make COVID the most deadliest when in actual fact it is AIDS. But it's a question for another day. Spirits, I don't think we're going to be hanging around here for too long. Is there anything else that you'd like to say? King.
Were you a king back in the day? Teacher.
King, teacher. Okay, well.
Did the teacher reside here?
Sydney.
Falling. Did the teacher fall?
So, Sydney, was this your home at one stage?
Did you fall accidentally down the train tracks?
Emily. We got a Sydney Emily. Now, I'm not going to say totally it's just paranormal, but it's worth a shot. Emily, are you also here? Was this your home at one stage? Did you work for the train, the train station? Supposedly. Supposedly what? Supposedly lived here or supposedly worked here?
Show the people, mate. Okay, and he doesn't want to say anything other than falling.
Okay, let me just. So I'm gonna sit this down there and sit you guys down on the
Or
ground
maybe
quickly.
we must go and see if the car is still okay.
Yeah.
I don't trust this area.
Okay.
Well, if we can't,
You know, guys, I'm gonna pause this video here.
if we can't get to the other buildings, this was a cool little walkabout.
Yeah, but we'll see. There's still other spots that we can look at. So I'm gonna pause you guys right here. We'll see you in just a bit.
It was made.
Okay, guys. So we just climbed up the stairs. We're walking along the
Okay, I don't know
contract.
where to walk. Where did you go?
There's a path over there.
Okay, that word I can't say.
Oh, wow. Maybe your mic just picked it up. Who knows? Okay, so
During the full moon. So a pact was made during the full moon. Was there rituals done here, spirits? If a pact was made during the full moon. And what pact was made?
this is what we're walking on, guys. There's a resemblance of a path.
Say again, resemblance?
Of a path here. You're just walking to the stairs over there. I'm talking to the viewers.
Okay, so what's your plan? Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to those houses via there?
I just want to get closer to the car. I see there's someone there on a cell phone by a car there.
Okay, then maybe you must run quickly first.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this video, guys. My bad. I thought I forgot the mic was on. Anyways, guys, as I was trying to say, we're gonna cut this video short, yeah. So yeah, we've actually got another place we have to be at for another video, and we didn't realize as to what time it was. So we're gonna cut this video short. I hope you enjoyed it, and then yeah, we'll see you in the next adventure. But until then, Paranormal Randonauts bringing the next adventure to you, and you best start believing ghost stories because you're in one.